Hello. Today we shall be doing one of the very important tools in 3D animation, which is called topology. So retopology is the process of converting your high resolution mesh into low resolution mesh with the use of polygon breakdown. So as you can see, the project we are seeing on the screen, I've retopologized it. I've converted to a low resolution mesh compared to, like, let me come back here and see if I still have the high resolution mesh here. This one is still retopologized. I've retopologized this in the complete project. So let me see if I can get the low resolution version and the high resolution version. Okay, I think I have it here. I already have high resolution. Okay, yeah. If you view this mesh very well, you feel the density of the polygon on the mesh compared to this. Let me subdivide it. Okay, if you see here, you can feel this now. See the line, the breakdown of the polygon. Now check this. See the density. You can never animate your project this way because you have no guide. So that is why it is very important to retopologize your project, your mesh, before taking to animation program. Another advantage of retopologizing your project is for easy UV unwrapping. Now let me show you this, and this one already have UV. UV will help you to convert it into a flat surface. Now let me unwrap this and see. Let me unwrap this and see UV, morph UV. Now you can see this as the breakdown is into a flat surface. Now you can view everything here. Then morph off. So that is the true advantage of retopologizing your project. And again, if you retopologize your project, it will help your system performance because the density will be reduced. Therefore, once you click, it will be easy. Shift+F, and it's still having almost the same quality with the high resolution version, which is this, with the high resolution version. So now let's jump into the topology now. Okay, so yeah, this I want to retopologize this. We have two methods of retopologizing. If you are retopologizing for animation, it's always advisable to do everything manually. That is, you break the polygon around the mesh manually yourself. And if you decided not to animate it and you just need to extract your UV to map your texture, all you have to do is you can use the ZRemesher. But before going to ZRemesher tools in ZBrush, let's try Maya retopology. Now let me assume I'm sending this out and I'm exporting this out into Maya. Now I'll just come here. All I'll do is click on export. It's edge. Then let me just choose desktop for easy access. Desktop, then save. That is that. Then inside of Maya, come to Maya. with my Maya program. I launch it. Inside of Maya, all you have to do, come to File, Import, and then you browse to our desktop. Then import.
Not in there.
So we have the mesh here now. The mesh is inside. It's inside here. So if you are first time using Maya, here is the navigation. Alternative plus left click. You rotate your scene. You rotate the scene. And then if you want to pound, right alternative plus middle mouse drag. You pound. Alternative plus middle mouse drag. Like this. So that is the navigation. Alternative plus left click, drag around, then you rotate. Now I've shown you the Maya movement interface right now. So now we want to convert this into a low resolution version with manual so that it can be easier for animation and for UV unwrapping. Now the first thing you want to do is come to here, select the object first, then come to here, make it live like this. Click this and make it live. That is one. Or better still, let me undo it. Better still, if you right click on the object like this, you see all the information you can do, every other thing, every other function. Then come to here, select, just make it live. Make it live. Now it's live, it's alive now. You cannot do anything on it again except you come to Retopology tool. Then for Retopology, you just come here, come to modeling toolkit here, then click quad draw. With the quad draw selected, so now start clicking, you create 4 points, then you press shift, then click like this to create a polygon. Now let me delete this, I'm not ready for that. Control shift, control alt, delete face. Control shift, delete face. Control shift, delete. I can't delete because that is the only one. Now, no matter the kind of program you are using for Retopology, the theory are the same. The theory are they are the same. All you have to do, you have to make the where you want to animate, like the eye, the mouth, you have to make them round, make the topology round, such as this. Let me come back to my ZBrush. Now you see the polygon, the loop around the mouth. The loop have to be round like this, round, and for the eye as well, it has to be round like this, round. So those are the main basic things for facial retopology for animation. Now let's come back to Maya. So coming here like this, want to start this, you can move by clicking the middle like this, and then you can drag this, reduce like this, drag the edge, the point. You can pick the point as well. Pick the point. Pick the point. Then you can continue 1, 2, shift, click. 1, 2, shift, click. 1 2 shift click, 1 2 1 2 shift click, shift click. One, two, shift click, 1 2 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 shift click. So you can see I did one side and the other side has already done, because that was the reason why. And the reason why it's done like that is because I have activated the symmetry option in the modeling toolkit here at this side. Just click here, activate X on X. So whatever thing you are doing on the left side, it will be automatically done on the right side, or whichever of the side you are working on. So let's say I just created a loop around the eye bulb like this. So all you have to do is just to click like this, one, click like this, two, click like this, three, click like this. Let me zoom in. If you want to zoom, all you have to do, rotate, drag the middle mouse button, slide it up and down, you rotate, and you zoom in rather. Then you click like this again, click like this, click like this, click like this, shift, click, shift, point, shift. Need to drag this up a little bit, yeah, drag this one to up a little bit. Control click, select, control click, select, control click, select, control click, select, select. So we just created a loop around the eye. Now if you wanted to add a loop again, one more loop, you want to break the middle like this, assuming you want to break the middle, all you have to do is to come to the middle of any of the polygon, then control, you see the loop, hold down control, then tap, just created another loop that way. Sorry, undo, and just created another loop around the eye. So then we come to the mouth as well again. You do the same, you create loop around, 1 2 1 2. Once it is 4, you have 4 points to make one polygon. Click, 1 2, click, 1 2, click, zoom in, you see what we are doing, 1 2, click, 1 2, click. Then you do like this, arrange properly, 1 2, no, yeah, click, zoom in, arrange them. Arrange this as well, arrange. If you feel you need one more polygon in the middle, you can just control and click. So let's continue with our click, shift, no, click, shift, and one more in the middle. So this one to 1 2. This is how you'll be doing it until you use this polygon to cover the whole mesh. 1 2. It can be tiring sometimes, but it is necessary to have a perfect retopology for your mesh if you want to actually animate your project. It's like this. Click. I need just one. Click. So we just created another loop around the mouth like this. Let me just do like this. So now you want to connect these three things. All you have to do, you make the nose be the center point to connect for the connection. Like for instance, you come here, the middle, 1, 2, click, 1, 2, click, 1, 2, click, 1, 2. We are not connecting it here. We are not connecting it there. Here. Another tool that you can use for this, for easier, instead of creating points, you can just hold on, tap, then drag. And just tap, drag, tap, drag. Then you can now do it like this. Then finish it here. So we have this. So you can create, you can create loop here to connect to this. Create another loop here. Create a loop here. Connect. Then this connect to this. Control to create loop. Click, 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 and click. You can see I've connected the nose and the mouth. So if you want to connect the eye, you have to do click like this, create another loop here, click. Now I'm going to adjust this down a bit. Adjust it down a bit. So within here, like this, put another point, click. Excuse me. So you have this. So these are the spreads we go through to create the loop you are seeing here. You are seeing here on my screen. Do my system is dragging. So you can see if we view this with the current one I'm doing here, you will see that they are still the same, they are looking the same. So these are the general theory for retopologizing the face for animation, because all the wireframe are be the one that we are going to insert bone on to animate the face, like the smile, the eye open and close, the mouth open and close. Keeping it in mind that we don't join the loop of the mouth, we don't join them together like this. We have to leave some space in between the mouth for open and close. So let me continue here. I'm not going to complete this because I already have completed project already. So just showing you techniques to go through. To have a good, perfect retopology. Click this. Click. Put down, bed, put down, put down, put down. Need one more loop around here. Click, 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 click. Then connect this. Undo. So we have this like this. So now let me assume you are done with the topology and you wanted to extract this particular low resolution mesh out of the density mesh, which is the high resolution. No, this is all you have to do. Come to the plugin here, click this on unselected the quad draw, then you come to your draw box here, click the poly surface, then you come to here, isolate the mesh, isolate. This is the isolation button. So you have only the retopology version of your model. So you have this. Press smooth 3 to smooth it. So you have this already. You have this. You have this already. So this is the process of converting your your high res into low res in Maya with perfect edge loop and edge flow. So I'm not going to go into detail in this. So far I want to make it more simpler and more easier for you in ZBrush. You can get something like this, but not as perfect as you controlling it, the edge flow the way you wanted it. So